everyone, I just wanted to talk a little bit about glass cleaners, particularly these three here. We've got our ultra premium glass cleaner that we've had for a number of years. It's an aerosol version, and we still make our traditional window cleaner, we call it, in our 35-ounce bottle. And both of those particular products are safe for window tinted vehicles that you have an aftermarket film on the inside. Being an isopropyl alcohol base formula, this is safe for window tint on the inside of your vehicle, so it's perfectly fine for that. We don't use ammonia in our window cleaners. That's going to void the warranty on your window tint and turn the tint purple in most cases, so we want to avoid that. So this is a great product if you're looking for just perfectly clear windows inside and out, mirrors, house, whatever it might be. And then we just recently introduced our really kind of a long-awaited product, which is our ceramic glass cleaner. And these are two different types of applications. One's a trigger spray and one is an aerosol spray, same formula, just personal preference on how you apply it. I like these particularly because guess what? I can still use these on my car if I've got aftermarket window tint on the inside. It won't hurt that, it's perfectly safe. But more importantly, where I'd like to use these is on my shower enclosure, because not only am I going to get the glass clean, get rid of all my water spots, but I will prevent water spotting in the future because that ceramic base that this is laying down will allow that water to sheet right down the glass, and it keeps it clean. And I'm going on probably 3 weeks now where I've not had to wipe my glass down and there's still no spots on my glass. I'm very happy with this particular formula. Again, typically a trigger sprayer would be with this one, so it's personal preference there versus an aerosol. So get yourself a bottle of our ceramic glass cleaner. I think you're going to be very impressed with this formula.